Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by finding the saves folder so you can make reliable copies. Open your launcher and confirm the game directory. On Windows, use %appdata %backslash. Minecraft /saves. On Mac, check ~library /application support /Minecraft /saves. Once done, close Minecraft. This prevents in-use files and corruption during copying. Next, choose a backup location. External drive, cloud folder, or a timestamped local folder. Make sure you have at least one full world folder selected, and then copy it rather than move it so you keep an original unchanged. Now organize and store your backups so you can restore easily later. Create a clear folder name with the date and world name, for example 2026-02-03 My World, which helps when you have many backups. Once done, compress the folder to a zip to save space and keep the level data intact. You can also set up a simple script or use a sync tool to automate this on a schedule. Automation reduces human error and ensures regular restore points without manual effort. To finish, restore by pasting or unzipping the backup into the saves folder and overwrite the corrupted or unwanted world. You do this because Minecraft reads the folder name as the world identifier. Make sure Minecraft is closed when copying back. If you hit problems, like a version mismatch or missing chunks, open the same game version or run the world conversion utility. Sometimes renaming level files repairs detection. As a troubleshooting tip, always keep at least 2 incremental backups and test the restored world before you play live.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.